Pilipino kasi very highly emotional, no? So kapag yung gusto nila hindi nakuha, ang initial reaction natin ay scam yan. Filipinos, may hirap or mayaman, ang lagi nilang sinasabi, sayang yung pera nila sa insurance. Kasi mali ang mindset, mali yung thinking nila. Insurance gives you the convenience of cash and protects your money that you have created for you to enjoy and give to the next generations to come. Lahat tayo, ang pag-iisip natin is, paano yumaman, paano kumita, paano magkaroon ng millions, ng billions of pesos. But we don't think about paano ko mamimake sure na whatever happens, lahat ng kine-create kong pera, hindi siya mababawasan. Doon papasok yung insurance.